Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Preschool Storytime with Dave, and this time behind the camera, Miss Janet.
Hi!
You can't see her, but she's wearing a fabulous witch's hat.
I am wearing a fabulous witch's hat.
Fabulous!
I don't know if they could really see that. I may have just made everyone seasick. Sorry, everyone.
It's okay. But it's appropriate because we are now in the month of October, and I'm going to do a series of spooky autumn preschool story times.
Yay!
Yeah, and we're going to start with a very cozy classic by Miss Anne Rockwell called Apples and Pumpkins.
I love apples and pumpkins.
Both the book and actual apples and pumpkins.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. On a total aside, yesterday I made pumpkin apple cider chili, and it's incredible. If you want the recipe, just let me know.
I do.
I thought you would.
I'm letting you know.
Are you ready?
I want you to do a video of it. Okay, now you can go back to what you're doing. Sorry, everybody.
Are we ready?
We're ready. Let's see the book.
Apples and pumpkins.
Apples
Okay.
and pumpkins.
When red and yellow leaves are on the trees, we go to the Comstock farm to pick apples and pumpkins. Mr. Comstock gives us a bushel basket to put our apples in. Geese and chickens and a big fat turkey walk with us on our way to the orchard where the apples grow. My father picks apples. My mother does too. I climb into a little apple tree and pick the reddest apples of all. When our basket is full of red and shiny apples, we go to the field where the pumpkins grow. I look and look until I find the best pumpkin of them all. My father cuts it from the vine. I carry it back to the car. At home, we carve a jack-o'-lantern face on our big orange pumpkin. We put a candle inside and light it. Now our pumpkin looks scary and funny too. On Halloween night, we put our pumpkin on the doorstep. My mother gives away lots of our red and shiny apples for tricks or treats, while I go trick-or-treating up and down the street.
Yay!
That's a sweet, cozy book, isn't it?
It is.
Yes. And now we're going to read Skeleton Hiccups. Oh, excuse me. All right. Skeleton Hiccups by Margery Cuyler. Skeleton woke up. He had the hiccups. He took a shower. He brushed his teeth. He polished his bones. He carved a pumpkin. He raked some leaves. He played with Ghost. And Ghost told Skeleton, "Hold your breath. Eat some sugar. Press your fingers over your eyeballs. Maybe drink some water upside down." Ghost made a face, said boo to Skeleton. It didn't work. Nothing worked. The hiccups stayed. And then Ghost got smart. Ghost found a mirror. He held it up to Skeleton. And Skeleton turned around and saw himself in the mirror, and he screamed! Ah! And the Hiccups left. And there was much rejoicing.
Yay!
And the Hiccups, they all jumped away. Hick, hick, hooray. All right, that's all the spooky time we have for today. Until next Saturday, tune back in.
Bye, everybody.